Hello, how do you do? After all the energy momentum analysis, and now I'm going to present a new paradox, which again I'm not going to solve, not now, but in a video sometime later. At the end of this course I will be talking about paradoxes and solving the ones that I have presented throughout the course. Assume Captain Jack is flying a warship full of laser cannons. Meanwhile, Rose Tyler is flying an identical warship. From Jack's perspective, he sees how Rose flies at beta to the right in the x-axis. From Rose's ship, she sees how Jack travels at beta to the left of the x-axis. When the tail of Rose's ship is at the same position as Jack's nose, he's scared, and by accident he hits the tail missile button so that a missile is launched vertically to Rose's ship. Because from Jack's frame, Rose's ship is contracted, her ship is not in range, and the missile does not strike on Rose's ship. From Rose's frame, she is at rest, and Jack moves at beta with his ship contracted. Because Jack's ship is contracted, Rose's ship is in range of the missile, and she is hit and killed by Jack. Does Rose die or not? Be thinking about this four-dimensionally. I will answer it sometime later in the course, and may the science be with you.